Naku apan tip siya pang jungi. Bakremen pat, bapinom si kelayang ah.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Phah University, Meghalaya.
Umentri rangba kajala konrad ke sangma kapratarik unaitung arja penrio laong bak sarkar kam kersan satia banti ya uranium naksnong Domïasiat kasnong gabdana Southwest Kasil hagaji keren bergilat patai kubor hadin blawai ka jingalang ka kenhun menteri sarkar umentri rangba laong bala bonsin la keren halor kani ke isu bad ya thuru bak sarkar hadu menta kamsem layo priang satia ya kanu ka jing ujor kumbala kano bagi Ophisar ka Atomic Minerals Directorate for Exploration and Research ki Hiar Khah saknong Domïasiat banle test ya ka jingdon uranium hakani kasnong kani jing pensai menteri rangba kalong halor ka jing kano jong Khasi Students Union hadin magalit jingo dangshen ya kasnong Domïasiat bad ben ya kandu ro yagi khon kiti jong mi i spiliti lengdo langrin i blaklan no ibadi try kando hagajaka wadon uranium.
I have made it very clear in all my press conferences and questions when I've been asked about this, and even I think as close as 2025, I remember I made a statement on this. And I've been very clear that we are not in favor of uranium mining. We're very, very clear about that. And we've made it clear to Government of India also. We've made it very clear to the people also. And it's not just about uranium mining. If you look at all the decisions we have taken, especially decisions that impact the people at large, we've been very clear that we will work and do things in line with what is best in the best interest of our people. Whether you talk of railways, we are maybe the only state that today does not have a railway connection to the major capital, the capital city, or to the major regions of the state. And it's a big challenge, but we don't bulldoze. We are very clear that we must take people into confidence when we move forward in these aspects. So that has been the principle with which we follow. We believe in creating consensus. We believe in ensuring that we are sharing everything with the people. And uranium mining has been something that we have all been concerned about. I've made my point very clear that we are not at all in favor of uranium mining. And this is an issue that has come multiple times to us, and we've rejected it multiple times. So I think this is an issue that need not be explained in a manner in which that to make the people confused that government is in favor of it. We are not. I've been made very, very clear. Regarding movement of people coming in and going out, that is something that is, if any knowledge has comes to my office, if you inform me, then obviously we'll take action. I don't have any specific, written tour or anything like that of anybody coming in. I mean, I can check if they did come in or not. But as far as my information goes, I have not been informed about that. But since you have told me right now that there is reports that there were some movements, I will find out. And accordingly, we will take steps in that also.
So will government consider passing a resolution on this issue?
I think the government, as Chief Minister, my statement is the most important. I have made my statement very clear that the government will not allow this. I think that's where we are right now. And we will examine the need for a resolution if it has to be. But I think the fact that Chief Minister has made the stand of the government clear, I think that word should count. Thank you.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.